These 10 foods are destroying your kidney health. Hello, health-conscious friends. Today we're embarking on a vital exploration into the world of kidney health. The kidneys, our body's natural detox machines, play a crucial role in filtering waste, balancing minerals, and keeping our blood pressure in check. But our daily diet can either support or strain this delicate system. Join me as we uncover the top 10 foods that might be putting your kidneys under unnecessary stress and learn how to navigate our food choices for optimal health. Let's empower ourselves with knowledge and action. Number 1. High sodium foods. Sodium, an essential mineral for maintaining fluid balance and nerve function, becomes a potential hazard when consumed in excess. The modern diet, replete with processed foods, sneakily introduces high levels of sodium, leading to hypertension, a leading cause of kidney strain and damage. Our journey towards kidney health begins with understanding and moderating our sodium intake. Start by embracing the flavors of nature. Use garlic, onion, herbs, and spices to season your meals instead of relying on salt. Opt for unsalted nuts and seeds for snacks, and choose fresh or frozen vegetables over canned varieties. Cooking more meals at home gives you full control over your sodium intake, turning every meal into an opportunity to nurture your kidneys. Number 2. High potassium foods. Potassium, while a hero for our heart and muscles, poses a challenge when kidney function is compromised. Our kidneys help manage potassium levels, but when they can't keep up, the risk of hyperkalemia, with its potential for heart arrhythmias, becomes a reality. High potassium foods, including many fruits and vegetables, require mindful consumption. Introducing a diverse range of fruits and vegetables into your diet can help manage potassium intake. For example, swapping out high potassium bananas for lower potassium apples or berries can make a significant difference. Steaming vegetables instead of boiling can preserve nutrients while helping to manage your potassium levels. Number 3. High phosphorus foods. Phosphorus, a mineral vital for bone health, becomes a kidney's foe when in excess, leading to calcification and cardiovascular issues. Our modern diets, especially with the prevalence of processed foods, often provide more phosphorus than our bodies need or can handle. Focus on natural, whole foods which have a balanced phosphorus content that your body can more easily manage. Remember, not all proteins are created equal. Choosing plant-based proteins or lean animal proteins can help keep your phosphorus intake in check. Reading labels is more crucial than ever, as many processed foods contain added phosphates. Number 4. Processed meats. Processed meats, beyond their high sodium and phosphorus content, often contain chemicals and additives that can exacerbate kidney damage over time. The preservatives used in these products, while extending shelf life, may shorten ours by increasing the risk of chronic diseases, including kidney disease. Embrace the variety and richness of whole, minimally processed foods. Experiment with plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas, which offer protein without the harmful additives. When you do choose meats, opt for fresh, organic, or grass-fed options, which are lower in harmful substances. Number 5. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, a common substitute for sugar, may not be the kidney-friendly alternative we once thought. Emerging research suggests that these chemicals can alter the body's natural processing of sugar and may have unforeseen effects on kidney health. Natural sweetness from fruits can enrich your diet without the potential risks associated with artificial sweeteners. When you need a little extra sweetness, consider using modest amounts of natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, which are metabolized differently by the body and may be gentler on your kidneys. Number 6. High protein foods. Proteins are the building blocks of our body, but consuming them in excess can overburden the kidneys, which have to work harder to filter out the waste products from protein metabolism. This is particularly concerning for those with pre-existing kidney conditions. Balancing your protein intake involves choosing high-quality protein sources and incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet. Foods like quinoa, beans, and tofu not only provide protein, but are also packed with other nutrients beneficial for kidney health without the excessive waste products. Number 7. Alcohol. Alcohol, a diuretic, can lead to dehydration, affecting the kidney's ability to filter blood effectively. chronic alcohol consumption can also lead to high blood pressure and liver disease, further complicating kidney health. Moderation is key. Choosing to limit alcohol intake and staying hydrated with water and electrolyte-rich drinks can support your kidney and overall health. For those special occasions, opt for a glass of red wine, which in moderation can have beneficial effects on heart health. Number 8. Caffeine. Caffeine stimulates your body, including increasing your blood pressure and potentially leading to dehydration, two factors that can put additional strain on your kidneys. Found in more than just coffee, caffeine lurks in teas, sodas, and even chocolate. Limiting caffeine doesn't mean giving up your beloved morning ritual. Try switching to decaffeinated coffee or herbal teas. These alternatives can offer the warmth and comfort of your favorite beverages without the added kidney stress. Number 9. Soft drinks. Soft drinks are a double-edged sword for kidney health. High in sugars, phosphorus, and sometimes caffeine, they contribute to the risk factors for kidney disease, such as diabetes and high blood pressure. Water is the best drink for kidney health, but that doesn't mean it has to be boring. Infusing water with fruits or opting for herbal teas can provide flavorful and refreshing alternatives to soft drinks, supporting your kidneys and your hydration needs. Number 10. Dairy products. Dairy products, while providing essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, also contain high levels of protein and phosphorus. In excess, these can strain kidneys, especially in individuals with kidney disease, by increasing the amount of waste that needs to be filtered. Exploring plant-based dairy alternatives can be a nutritious way to reduce your intake of phosphorus and protein. Almond, soy, and oat milks are excellent substitutes that can be used in everything from your morning cereal to your favorite baked goods. Our journey through the foods that may be putting our kidneys at risk underscores the power of diet in supporting our health. By making informed choices and small adjustments, we can profoundly impact our kidney health and overall well-being. It's not about perfection, but progress. Every step towards a kidney-friendly diet is a step towards a healthier you. I encourage you to take one insight from today's video and apply it to your life. Whether it's swapping out a high-sodium snack for a fresh alternative, reducing your caffeine intake, or experimenting with plant-based proteins, your kidneys will thank you. Share your commitment in the comments below, and let's support each other in this journey towards better health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, we can spread the word and make a positive impact on our health and the health of those around us. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more ways to live a healthier, happier life.